Hello Glamazons, it's me and this is going to be a haul video. Long time no see. I have been super busy. My birthday passed. It was in September, just in case I don't upload this tonight. My birthday was in the earlier part of September. I went on vacation. I'm back at work. I've been all over the place. So let's just jump into it. There's a bunch of stuff. Here we just have some Epsom salts. I got a heated foot spa for my birthday, so I've been using that. That's gonna go with it. I also have these, which I can't wait to try. This is a peeling foot mask. I've heard good things about these. So yeah, I will let you know how that works. Let's see here. I've got this Himalayan salt scrub. I just finished my berry acai scrub, so I got this one. I also have, this was sold to me in a pack of 2, honey almond foaming body scrub. These will be nice. I love body products. Quickly, some incense here. You guys know I love incense, so there's just some here. Smells really nice. Some of these I've tried, some of these I haven't tried yet. Rose. This one's opened. And then this one is baby powder. So, okay, that's that. So I went on vacation. If you guys click the community tab on my YouTube channel page, you can see post. So I've bought a bunch of jewelry from so many different places. I have not looked at this stuff since I've been back on vacation. A lot of this was purchased in St. John's, the Virgin Islands. So finally I can put this stuff away after showing you ladies and gents. So yeah, these were birthday presents. So this is a sterling silver necklace, and it is made out of amethyst. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Let me focus. So yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I got this at Caravan Gallery. If you are able to get to the U.S. Virgin Islands. Beautiful amethyst necklace. So I bought that. I'm just gonna randomly pluck things out of the bag, guys. I don't even remember what I bought. Whoops. Oh, this is an Angel Aura quartz. So look at that. This is a crystal quartz pendulum. I just thought that was neat. I don't know why I bought it, but I thought that was cool. More stuff. Oh, I bought this gorgeous amber statement ring. So you guys know when I go on vacation, I don't buy t-shirts and magnets and things like that. I buy jewelry. So that. Sorry about these stupid trains. I got this crystal quartz keychain, which I thought was pretty nice. So this was the only keychain I was willing to buy. Thought that was cool. I got this little crystal quartz was given to me for free. So there's that. And it goes inside of this beautiful druzy agate. So I can put this in here. like that. Or I can put the Angel Aura quartz in here like that. So I thought that was pretty. What else? Here's more. Okay, I got this gorgeous pearl bracelet, and the light is washing out the colors, but the colors on this is absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, the packaging still says Caravan Gallery. I purchased this beautiful multi-strand here. So 2 freshwater pearl bracelets, which are absolutely beautiful. What else? And then I went to, well, there you go. In case you want to look them up, there's a jewelry store. Beautiful stuff. Then I went to Freebird. So, Nacho is playing with my ankles. He's so cute. Nacho, cut it out. He's swiping at my ankles. So, which I hope you guys will be able to see. I got these earrings. These are cute little rose quartz earrings in sterling silver. They put their information in the cards. I got an amethyst pair right there. I got this pretty lapis pair right there. I got, I don't know which stone this is. I'm gonna say peridot, but I got a peridot pair right there. And one of my favorite pieces that I got from this store, which will always remind me of this trip to the Caribbean, I got this gorgeous handcrafted mermaid ring. So they handmade this jewelry, and so I just thought that was absolutely gorgeous. A mermaid. So yeah, that's what I got from the islands. So okay, Glamazons, I still have more jewelry from my birthday. Stay tuned and I will show you all that. Don't forget, if you make jewelry videos, just feel free to drop a comment. Feel free to email me a link. I would love to see what's in your jewelry box. And I'll be right back. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.